The question we are going to discuss today is: the centrifugal ballast pump in the engine room also doubles as a fire pump in your ship. What specific precautions would you take to change over the ballast pump from ballast or deballast mode to a fire pump mode? How is the emergency bilge suction tested? Let's start with the first part of the question. What specific precautions would you take to change over the ballast pump from ballast or deballast mode to a fire pump mode? To change over the centrifugal ballast pump from ballast or deballast mode to fire pump mode, I would take the following specific precautions. Confirm the need, verify that a fire emergency requires the use of the fire pump. Stop ballast operations, ensure that ballast operations are completed or stopped before switching modes. Close ballast valves, close all ballast tank valves to isolate the system. Open fire pump valves, open the valves leading to the fire main and hoses. Change pump settings, adjust the pump settings to increase pressure and flow rate for firefighting. Check suction, ensure the pump suction is switched to the fire water source, example, sea chest or tank. Prime the pump with water to ensure proper operation. Test the system, perform a quick test to ensure the pump is delivering water at the required pressure. Alert the crew, inform the bridge and crew of the changeover and fire pump status. Monitor and maintain, continuously monitor the fire pump's performance and maintain it as needed during the emergency. Let's move to the next part of the question. How is the emergency bilge suction tested? The emergency bilge suction is typically tested by simulating a flooding scenario and verifying that the system can effectively remove water from the bilge. Here's a step-by-step testing procedure. Prepare the system, ensure the emergency bilge suction pump and piping are clear of debris and obstructions. Simulate flooding, intentionally flood the bilge with water, or use a hose to simulate a flooding scenario. Activate the system, start the emergency bilge suction pump and ensure it's set to the correct suction setting. Monitor performance, observe the pump's performance, including flow rate, pressure, and any alarms or warnings. Check suction, verify that the pump is effectively removing water from the bilge, and that the suction is strong enough to lift water from the lowest points of the bilge. Inspect the system, check the pump, piping, and valves for any signs of damage, corrosion, or malfunction. Test with different suction settings, test the system with different suction settings to ensure it can handle various flooding scenarios. Record results, document the test results, including any issues or concerns, and maintain records for future reference.